a live radio show of respected Dr. R.K. 1330 AM, 24th August 2008, 11:45 AM, Boston.
He comes from South, and he's a great speaker, and he's a teacher, and he communicates the profound spiritual ideas in modern scientific framework. We'll go to him right after this song, so we get a little settled and get a little time, and we start this wonderful interview and discussion right after this beautiful duet. Beautiful memories coming right your way.
हम बदलेंगे युग बदलेगा यह संदेश सुनाता चल हम बदलेंगे युग बदलेगा यह संदेश सुनाता चल
As we mentioned earlier, we are very fortunate to have Dr. R.K., who is in our studios, and we really have to be thankful to Sanjay Saxena ji, because he is the source who brought him to our studios to give us a few minutes of his thoughts on spirituality, as well as how we can manage stress. And his theme is that don't avoid it, but use the stress to enhance your life. So rather than me saying anything, we'll go directly to Sanjay ji first, and who will then introduce Dr. R.K.
Good morning, listeners of Sounds of India. I'm thankful to Harish ji to give this opportunity. With us is Dr. Ramakrishna. He is a very senior disciple of a modern thinker who is really ancient and modern at the same time, who has reflected well on the human conditions and to diagnose the root cause of the current human condition, not just the cause but also the solution. Dr. Ramakrishna, who comes from South India, Hyderabad, and he is very articulate in presenting the spiritual thoughts and the solution to human condition in modern scientific framework. So we will begin this program with the first question coming from our host Harish ji.
Okay, that's wonderful. And as you know, Sanjay Saxena ji is part of Gayatri Parivar, who have very wonderfully done every year many functions at Satsang Center. If you have not attended, we really would like you to attend those. And before we forget, we have a very short disclaimer, which is that neither of the two parties, neither Sanjay ji or us, have been compensated either way for this program. This is totally being done as a community service. So once we have that cleared, that part out of our way, here we start with the question which I mentioned earlier, which really stood out for me when I got all your lectures and I read some of it, that how do you manage stress by not avoiding it?
Dear friends, first of all understand what is stress. Stress means that we are facing a problem which we find that we are not able to cope up. That is the main reason of stress. But whenever you learn something, we always start with something we don't know and learn it. For example, when we want to learn driving, it starts with a stress, with an intention to learn driving. But when you face it properly with the known laws, That is exactly what I want to convey you in these lectures, that if you know the laws and how to learn it, the stress becomes an art and technology of learning. That is why we are not avoiding stress, but we are learning the art and technology of facing them.
That is great. Could you also tell us the integration of science and spirituality, because that's what has been your main theme?
Certainly. First of all, let me be very clear about defining religion or spiritualism. According to my Param Pujya Gurudev, who taught me all this science of spiritualism, he defines that spiritualism is understanding the laws of living. Life itself and understanding the laws of life is real spiritualism. And whenever you want to attend a law, we have to go through three very clear-cut steps. First is an experiment, then we observe, and then we give an inference and get a law. So wherever these three steps are utilized in understanding the laws of life, which we just don't know about it, just we are born and just we go to the tombs, but in between this time of birth and to death, actually we are not at all aware of life. That is the laws of spiritualism. And we, through the formula of Gayatri, give you the science of living, where I mean the science means an approach to life in thinking and habit formation, utilizing the process of the scientific experiment, observation, and inference.